Hey guys, today I have another quick watercolour study for you. This is similar to the one that I did last week. It is another limited palette study of an eye. And as I said in last week's video, I really wanted to try one where I was a bit more bold with the colours. So the whole purpose of this one was to try and be a bit more extreme kind of with the colours and push them a bit beyond what I actually saw in the image. And the palette that I used for this painting is the exact same as I used for the one in the previous video. Now, something that I do want to try in another painting now, I remember in the last video I said I wanted to try doing one with bolder colours and one with a darker skin tone, so I need to get around to that darker skin tone one, but something that I also want to try is to limit my layers. So I don't know how many layers I want to limit it to, but maybe only like allow myself to do 3 layers or 5 layers of watercolour and see how much like depth I can get just from that. Now, despite my partner asking me if I had just done a painting of someone with a black eye, I am quite happy with how this one turned out. It was really fun to let loose a bit more with colours, and I think I could even push it even further. Maybe I muddied it up a bit with too many layers in this one. As I said before, I want to try limiting them. But that said, I also love the overlap of different layers and where the edge of one layer dries and then you layer it over another. I love that look. Anyway, the products that I'm using Daniel Smith watercolour paints as well as Holbein watercolour paints, and for most of the painting I use this brush that you can see, which is a Polina Bright brush, which I'm really enjoying at the moment. It's a vegan brush, which is great, and it works really well. Like, it holds a lot of water that I find really hard to find in other synthetic brushes. Anyway, I will leave you guys to the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please feel free to subscribe. I try and upload every Wednesday or Thursday. If you want to see more of my artwork, feel free to check out my Instagram, which is linked down below. Hope you guys have a great day.